Hi, I'm Shardé and welcome to my home. I love pattern, I love color, I love anything that feels statement. So my husband is originally from Germany, I'm African American, and we do a really good job of trying to mix our cultures together. So whether that's reflected through art or style and color and design, I really try to make sure that our home is a reflection of ourselves. This room is filled with a lot of culture, a lot of color. We have art from all over the world, from German artists, from Nigerian artists, from African American artists. But some of the reasons why I really love this room is because every single aspect of this is a statement, and it creates conversation and a lot of question, from the wallpaper on the ceiling, from the statement light here, to honestly even our table decor. So we have this really cool tablescape from Sheila Bridges and her Wedgwood collection. Sheila has re-envisioned toile from this more traditional kind of European aesthetic to more of an aesthetic that represents African American culture. And so we have this line on Paragold. It's really great. Our napkins and also the art on the wall come from a supplier called K'. We have a few different pieces. Some are originals, but we also have some really cool pieces from some suppliers that we have on Wayfair called Good Black Art. For any type of vibe or aesthetic that you're looking for, whether it's something that's abstract, whether it's clean, whether it's modern photography, you can definitely find it in this collection. This is my living room, which I absolutely love. It's very comfy, it's cozy, the colors are green and cream. We have a really cool piece from Good Black Art here, which I absolutely love. It's a photograph, and I think that the image really matches the overall vibe and aesthetic that we have of all the different plants and greenery here. In the bar area, we have a very kind of classic look, and so there was some photography that just really felt natural and organic to place there, along with some of the gold accents that we have. I had a really fun time decorating all of my kids' rooms, and this is my daughter's room, which is really fun to style, mainly because she loves colors just like me. I put up these really nice pennants from Rayo and Honey. One says Young, Gifted, and Black. The other one says Black Girls Are Magic, just as a daily reminder to my daughter that she is excellent. I found this really cute pink sofa from Wayfair, and this look in general is really easy to recreate. So we wanted to create a unique space for friends and family when they come, to where they really feel like they're at home, away from home. Again, if we think about the color palettes and the feel, this is a place where I want it to feel cozy and neutral and just calm, where you can come in, relax, and be yourself. We have this really beautiful fiber art from Candice Luter, as well as this really beautiful vase from Casa de Mansa, and a tic-tac-toe set from Rain Sky Home. So we took the time out to ensure that this entire place was decorated with neutral colors, that it felt comfy, that it felt cozy, that we have various different layers of texture to it, while also still adding statement pieces. I took all these different mood boards and inspirations to kind of create a look that I wanted. And I thought that it was really cool that I was able to find all of these products on Wayfair.